everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be deep cleaning my dishwasher. Now I will do this about once a month. I'm really particular. I will rinse my plates and cutlery. I will rinse all the food off them before I put them in the dishwasher. Now you might think that's a waste of time, but honestly I can guarantee I've had my dishwasher for 11 years and it looks, and more importantly it smells as good as it did the day we bought it. So I will show you how I deep clean it. So first of all I start off taking the cutlery basket out and then I will take the drawer out. Then I'll take the tray out and the filters. Right, so next I'm going to fill my centre column up with boiling water. And then I'm going to pop some Zoflora Winter Morning in the water, just about a cupful really. And then I'm going to put the cutlery rack inside the disinfectant, let it have a really good soak in there. And then I'm going to clean the filters and I'm going to use my Dishwasher to clean the filters. So I'll just give these a really good clean. And now I'm going to tackle the inside of the dishwasher. I'm using Method Multi-Surface Cleaner in Pink Grapefruit. Now I'm just going to pop a little bit of Winter Morning down in the bottom. And the filters have come up really nice and clean with the Dishwasher. So I'm just going to pop those back in. And I'm just going to give the door a clean with some Sif stainless steel cleaner. And I'm just going to pop the bottom rack back in and the cutlery rack, and that smells absolutely lovely now. So now I'm going to complete my deep clean with some Finish dishwasher cleaner. Now this will remove any grease or limescale that's built up on the inside. So I'm just going to peel the top off and set it off good. I sometimes buy the Co-op's dishwasher cleaner. Now that one's only £1, but this one was on offer in Morrison's at £2. It was half price, so I thought I would pick one up and give this one a go. So I hope you enjoyed how I deep clean my dishwasher. I would love to read your comments below on what you use to clean your dishwasher with. And if you would consider subscribing to my channel, that would be fantastic. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to catch you again in another video. Thank you then. Bye.